What's up, YouTube? Doing these door panels in here in this car, man. My wife, BMW, again, is changing out these parts and go to the door panel. These things they with the car locked up in the heat, in this Texas heat, man, these things just start melting. They get real nasty and it's real sticky and gooey. You can get all on your hands and you get caught in your fingernails when you're trying to get in and out of the car, man. Oh man, it's a headache, man. So I went ahead and changed them for took the door panels off. You gotta take them off and get these. There's 4 screws. There's 2 here, 2 here. What you gotta do, you gotta get a screwdriver and snap these pieces apart. They snap apart right in this crease, right down in this crease right here. That's what they snap. And you get a flat head and just work your way down. You'll hear them snap as they come loose. And then you take them apart, just like that. And I got the new boy. This kit comes with all 4 doors. And this is the last door that I'm on. Unfortunately, that door on that side, that passenger side back door, rear door, I ended up put that damn thing back together, and I didn't plug up the door switch. So I'm gonna have to take that back apart. So whenever I take that back apart, I'll do a video on that and show you guys how to take it apart. But I almost forgot to record, so that's why I'm doing this now. This is what I'm putting on, the fiber deal. They might get scratched up, I guess, I don't know, but they should hold up a good while. So how these go back together is these little pieces right here. These little stems, they go in these holes right here. These holes right there. So you just line them up, just like this one. Just like that. And then you just squeeze them back together. And you'll hear it snap as it goes back together. These fit pretty good. Want them to be aftermarket. It's not bad on there, pretty good. So now, I don't know if I can get y'all down here. I can see what I'm doing, I don't know. I can record the door. This is how this goes back together. See it? This is how this goes back together. Got one hand on it.